This house is very, very nice. This is insane. Alright, play nyo po hanggang dulo. Makita mo, no? From the start hanggang sa kanilang final touching. Enjoy playing! Actually, ma-motivate ka dito sa napakagandang bahay nila. They working so hard for this very, very nice house. That's why we offer real estate product para hindi masayang yung pinagpaguran mo. Pero play mo ito. I believe it will motivate you to work harder. Thank you so much and keep playing, guys. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nandito ako ngayon sa Grand Forbes Grand Village. Welcome to Grand Forbes. Alright guys, for today's video, nandito ako ngayon sa Grand Forbes ng Antel Grand Village. At ipapakita ko ngayon sa inyo itong napakagandang bahay ng ating client. No, wala lang pangalan. But binigyan tayo ng approval para i-feature naman itong napakagandang bahay nila. Which is, this house is not for sale. But this house po is a sample na in case no, magpagawa kayo ng bahay dito sa Antel Grand Village or Anyana, you can do the same. Ayan po, so samahan nyo ako at pasukin natin itong napakagandang bahay dito po sa Grand Forbes. So with a lot area of 254 square meters and with a floor area of almost 300 square meters, and you have the 2-car garage and meron kang 5 meters na setback. And meron ka pa ang 3 meters na setback doon sa isang side. And tingnan niyo po yung kanilang main door, no? Double, ang ganda. And look at their balcony. Very simple but very elegant. Tingnan natin, no? Samahan niyo ako, pasukin natin. This house is ongoing construction and almost finished na po ito. And look at their flooring. Wow! Oh my god, this one guys is almost perfect. Wow, ang ganda. Look at this. Wow, very high ceiling. Alright guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa bahay nila. Pero disclaimer lang tayo, no? Hindi natin i-feature yung kanilang name. So look at this design, ang ganda. And napakaganda ng kanilang high ceiling, no? Look at this. Wow, ang ganda. Actually, perfect yung bahay na to. Actually, this is the living area. And look at this wall. Ang ganda ng wall nila. And of course, no, meron na silang nakaabang. And I think this is wood. And ito yung kanilang mga outlet, no? Then sa kanilang TV, no? Cable. Check natin dito sa ibaba. Wow, look at their flooring. Very ganda. Wow. This is another room. Meron silang den dito sa ibaba. Look at this. Diba talaga po yung sariling design? At kung nga, masusunod mo yung gusto mong design. Wow, look at this. No, dito sa ibaba, meron silang toilet and bath. Wow, look at this. Wow. Ang ganda pati ng kanilang sidings. And also their fixtures is fussy. Wow, look at this. Wow. Look at this guys. No, ang ganda ng bahay nila. And yung kanilang pinto is wood. Tsaka social, no? Maganda. Actually po, a lot area nito at 254 square meters. And with a floor area of almost 300 square meters, I think. So this is the kitchen area. So ang maganda dito po, nilagyan nila ng separator. Look at this. Wow, para pag nagluto sila, hindi po pumasok dito sa loob yung amoy. And look at their kitchen area. Wow. Actually guys, hindi pa po ito finished, pero binigyan na po tayo ng chance na para makuha yung final touch nito nila. And look at this, guys. Wow, and also their appliances, ano? Ang ganda, pati nandito na rin. Even their fridge nila, guys, double. Wow, look at this. LG. Lagging. Ayan, lagging. Anyway. So this is their dining area. Oh, ang ganda. Right then, check natin sa itaas po, no? Actually guys, dito sa likod muna. O, dito po sa baba ito, mayroon sa isang room. And dito po, wow, they have this 2 meters pa po na easement dito, no? Setback. Dito pa po. And then, even dito sa likod. Then, check natin po dito sa taas. And then, look at their stairs. Wood plank. Pero ang ganda, banayad lang yung kanilang agdanan. Hindi masakit sa paa. And then, yung kanila pong, guys, social. Ang ganda nung kanilang handrail. And look at this. Actually po, mayroon pa po itong papel para hindi magagasgas yung kanilang plank hagdanan. Wow! This is almost perfect. Look at this. Wow! Thank you so much for the chance, no? Wow! Actually, pagpasok mo po, you will welcome this family area. Wow! Ang ganda. Wow, ang laki. Para siyang wow, ang ganda ng bahay. This is the family area. Then you have 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. And then, check natin po yung 1 room. This is the family area. Actually, mayroon silang lagyan pa nila ng appliances dito. Or yung kanilang music area dito, guys. Perfect. And this is the bedroom 1. Wow. Meron na rin silang aircon. And look at the ventilation. Ang laki. And also, meron na siyang built-in cabinets. So, ito po, pinapakita natin kapag sariling design. So, pwede po dito sa Antel Grand Village. And this is the sample unit. And this is their common toilet sa itaas. Wow! Look at this. Very wide. Lagyan natin ng ilaw. Wow! Ang ganda. Gayahin ko ito. Look at this. Wow! Perfect. No, ang ganda. Even their doors, no? Wood. Check natin yung another room. Wow, ang laki din. Wow. Ayun na, may mga gamit na po sila. Wow. At saka yung kanilang ceiling po, no? Iba na po ang design. Mas modern. Wow, ang ganda. Para iwas alikabok, no? Ganyan na po ang uso ngayon. Ganda ng bahay. Ang ganda ba? Yeah, wow, ang ganda. Now guys, this is the most revealing part. Their master's bedroom. But, pag nasa master's bedroom ka, look at this. Ang ganda. Kasi, wow, kumain na ba kayo dyan sa ibaba? Wow, perfect. This house is perfect. I think they purchase only lot. Lot only lang po ang binili nila. Then, they wanted to build their own house. And this is the house na pangarap nila, guys. And this is the most revealing part, the master's bedroom. Alright, so welcome to the master's bedroom. Wow! Ang ganda. Look at this. Wow! Hindi pa yan tapos, no? And tingnan mo naman kung gaano kaliwanag. Guys, para ka lang nasa Tagaytay. Wow! This is very, very good. Wow! And yung kanilang balcony, look at this. Yan. Actually, hindi pa po ito finish, but nakikita mo na yung ganda ng bahay nila. So, two-tone. Napapansin ko, two-tone lang, no? Brown and white. Ayan. Yan lang po ang kulay ng bahay nila. Wala silang madaming kulay. Pero, tingnan mo po yung kanilang mga dito sa ilalim, mga board na yan. Wow! This is their walk-in closet. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda! Wow! Pero ang pinaka-revealing part nito po, guys, is yung kanilang master's bedroom, toilet, and bath. May bathtub akong nakikita. Alright guys, pakita ko ngayon sa inyo yung kanilang master's toilet and bath. Look at this. Wow! Wow! Talo pa yung Okada. Ang ganda. perfect. Look at this. Wow. Wow, ang ganda ng bahay mo. Kaya pala, iba ka. Alright. Okay guys, so thank you so much for the chance at na-tour ko kayo dito sa bahay ng mayaman. Pero never namin sasabihin kung kanino pa ito kasi siyempre for their privacy. Pero napakaganda ng bahay. So debates me na magtrabaho talaga ng todo-todo kasi look at this. Ang ganda ng bahay nila. And yung final touch nila kung makikita, white and brown. Two-tone lang po ang ginamit nila. Even their dito po sa kanilang flooring sa itaas. Ang ganda. Ayan siya guys. So this is insane. So di ba ang ganda ng bahay nila? So thank you so much for the time. Thank you so much for this very very nice experience na video namin, na cover namin ito sa aming simpleng house tour dito po sa Antel Grand Village, Grand Forbes. Thank you so much guys. So once again, kung nagustuhan mo po ang video na ito, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless.